Hello everybody, this is Keith, and I thought I would give you a quick little video about the Google Chromecast. If you have been thinking about this and haven't had the opportunity to play with it, I hope this video will help you out a little bit. Okay, when you take the outer cover off the Chromecast box, this is what you get, and it's pretty simple. Plug the unit into the HDMI port on your TV, and then you can either power it through the USB port on the television or the wall outlet. Switch to your input and set it up. So this is the Chromecast dongle. Pretty simple. This is your USB power port, of course your HDMI adapter, and then of course you have your USB cable, you have the wall adapter, and you have a adapter. If you have a television or device where you can't get the Chromecast plugged in, you've got this little extender, which is pretty neat. So hey, for $30-some, this isn't bad. Next, let's go ahead and hook this up to the television.
Set up your Chromecast. We'll show you how to cast videos to your TV. Chromecast works with your laptop or Chromebook, as well as Android smartphones and tablets, iPhones and iPads. Before casting, make sure your devices are on the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast. We'll use YouTube as an example to show you how to cast a video. You'll see the cast icon at the top of the YouTube app. Press it, and the video you select will then play on the TV your Chromecast is plugged into. You can control your video from the phone, just like you're used to. Chromecast currently works with YouTube, Netflix, and Google Play Movies. Check to make sure you have the latest version of those apps to get the best experience. More supported apps are coming soon. It's not just apps. With Chromecast, you can also cast videos, photos, or any web page from the Chrome browser on your computer.
Okay everybody, the Chromecast dongle is connected to the television. In fact, I liked playing with this one so much I went ahead and bought me a second one. So not only do I have it here downstairs, I also have it upstairs. And heck, for 35 bucks, I got two of these for the still cheaper than a Roku streaming box for one room. So what we're going to do is we are going to demonstrate using YouTube how you can stream to your cast here on the television. And what I'm going to do is open up the YouTube application, and you'll see the little icon up here for streaming to Chromecast. And let's see here, let's go ahead and pick, let me go ahead and pick, and as you see, you name these for however you want to name them. I went ahead and named one bedroom and one for living room. Go ahead and select living room, and then that prepares the Chromecast box. You'll see the YouTube logo, and it's telling you, hey, it's ready to watch your videos. And now
Oh my god, I actually played a few games of Black Ops 2 today. Really just to bring you some gameplay footage to talk over about the...
Now while you're watching that video, you haven't lost any control of the app itself. If I want to watch something else, you know, if I don't like this and want to immediately switch to something else, I can, or I can add it to the queue to play afterwards. Let's see here. So we're going to go ahead and go here, and this guy's voice is annoying, so I'm going to go ahead and select play, and you'll see it switches over, and that's good old Chris Voss. Now what we're going to do is, let's say this one here, I want to put this in the queue. And I've noticed this morning my internet's acting up. But the great thing with the Chromecast, I don't have to turn on the DVD player and load it its YouTube program to sync my phone. I don't have to go upstairs, turn on the PlayStation 3, and do the same thing. I'm doing it all, in this case, from the tablet. I could easily be doing this from the phone as well. And let's see here. Now this guy, I got another one queued up, so I just hit the forward button, and now it goes to the next video. Right now this was working on YouTube, Netflix, and the Google Play Store, the movies that they offer. So if you're getting television content or movies through Google, that'll also go through here. And it looks like I am having an issue. There we go. Okay, it's now popping up.
Hey guys, John P here from Bone Arena. Right now you're watching our video comparison between the Nokia Lumia 920.
Now what? I want to disconnect it. Then it's
Business phone
disconnected.
systems don't have to be expensive or hard to install and maintain.
I notice it loves to give you the commercials more if you are on the tablet than the TV screen. So that's a plus right there, it seems. Now we're going to go to the Google Play movies for TV shows. And let's see, we're going to put this on the living room. And you're seeing it's connecting. And I went ahead and purchased Star Trek Into Darkness the other night. So the nice thing is, hey, I can watch it on a tablet. If I'm upstairs, TV, get a group of people over, like to watch it down here. All you have to do is bring up the movie. And this is so much simpler than pulling out the Samsung HDMI adapter that plugs into the micro USB slot and then having to run a HDMI cable to the television and then run your power cable from the adapter to the wall outlet to get everything powered. It saves you that step tremendously. The only thing I'm missing is if I wanted to actually have the television screen mirror what's on my phone or tablet. That case, I would have to use that cable. Unless that is in the works with Google, and you'll be able to do that wirelessly as well. But hopefully this video will answer some of your questions if you've been curious about the Chromecast box and is it worth trying out. I got to be honest with you, for $35 it's worth trying out. You don't have Android, you have Apple. Understanding is right now Netflix and YouTube is working on iOS devices as well. If you have a laptop, what you're viewing on your laptop you can send to the television as well. So there is a lot of uses for it, and like I said, for $35 I went ahead and bought 2 of these, and that was still a little bit cheaper than a Roku box, which would only fit on 1 television. So I'd say go ahead and give it a try. And remember, Google and Amazon are saying it's taken several weeks to fulfill their online orders. I went and picked these up at Best Buy yesterday, so if you have a Best Buy store near you, check online. They may have them in stock, and you don't have to wait the several weeks turnaround time for the Postal Service. I hope this helped you out, and happy streaming, everybody.